Hello student, today we are solving a nice mathematical number problem. Our question is 2 into power b plus b is equal to 8. We are finding the value of b from this. Now we are writing first our question 2 into b minus b is equal to 8. So in next step we write this 2 into b is equal to this b into this side 8 minus b. Let m is equal to 8 minus, so we let b is equal to 8 minus m. This b is equal to 8 minus m. This will be is equal to 8 minus m. B is equal to 8 minus m. Now we are putting this after this 2 into 8 minus m is equal to m into 2 into 8 plus into minus m is equal to m. Now we write this Olympiad formula a into m plus n is equal to a into m into a into n. Now this will be 2 into 8 and this will be 2 into 8 and 2 into m into 2 into minus m is equal to m into 2 into m. This minus m cut by this remains 2 into 8 is equal to m into 2 into power m. So in next we use this formula a is equal to e ln a, 2m is equal to e ln 2 into power m. Now we putting this and we get 2 into power 8 is equal to m into e ln into 2m, and now we use ln into a power b is equal to b ln a. So 2 into power 8 is equal to m into e into m ln 2. This m into e m ln 2 is equal to 2 into 8. This 2 into 8 moves in this side. So next this will be m into ln 2 into e into power m ln 2 is equal to 2 into power 8 into ln 2. W function on this. After using lambda w, we get this is our lambda w into u into e to the power 4 is equal to u. Now after using this, we get w into m ln 2 into e m ln 2 is equal to W into 2 into 8 into ln 2. Now we use uh, this and this will be m ln 2 is equal to W into 2 into 8 ln 2. This divided by ln 2, this divided by ln 2. This cut by this remain m is equal to W into 2 into power 8 into ln 2 divided by ln 2. Now we recall our equation. Let b is equal to 8 minus m. After recall this, recall m is equal to 8 minus b, and this m is also 8 minus b is equal to W into 2 into power 8 into ln 2 divided by ln 2. B is equal to 8 minus W into 2 into power 8 into ln 2 divided by ln 2. Now B is equal to B is approximately is equal to 2 into 2.467. This is our value of B. This is our final answer. Thank you for watching video till end. Subscribe for more Olympiad math problem. If you have any question or suggestion, please write in comment box. Goodbye. Our B is 2.467.